Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to simplifying this square root, that is square root 12, square root 48, square root 20 and 7 times square root 80. So let's start with today's video solution. So square root 12, square root means there is 2 power here, and we will take LCM of this. So 12 2 4 divided by 2 gives 6. Then 6 divided by 2 give us 3 and 3 give us 1. So under square root, we can write it as 2 times 2 times 3. So there's a square root with power 2. That means you have to take pairs of common digits. So 2 is 2. So I write 2 here. And there is no pair of 3. So write in square root only. So square root of 12 is 2 root 3. Now comes to 48. 2 times and we divide 24 with 2 will divide 12 with 2, 6 with 2, 3 and with 3, 1. So under square root 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So now again we'll make pair of these, pair of this. So from this pair 1, 2 came outside. From this pair 1, 2 came outside and there is no pair of 3. So we will leave it in square root. So it becomes 4 root 3. Now similarly for 20 with 2, 10 with 2 divided by 10 is 5 and 5 is 1. So under square root 2 times 2 times 5. So we will make a pair of 2 and there is no pair of 5. So it is 2 root 5. Now 7 times 80 will divide with 2. 40 will again divide with 2. 20, 10, 5 and 1. So under square root 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So 7 times we will take pair of 2. We will take pair of 2 root 5. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. So it is 28 root 5. I hope all 4 solutions are clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.